We're talking about 1.5 to 3 inches of rain in the Willamette Valley this time around, but then you couple that with the melting snow. I think there will be problems, but as Ken mentioned, not like what we saw back in 1996. Here's a live look over the city. We have filtered sunshine out there and chilly temperatures, 27. So the snow and ice on the ground right now is not going anywhere until the second half of tomorrow when things start to warm up. Here's what it looks like out along the coast. Also hazy sunshine. Those high clouds, a sign of what's to come. It's 27 right now. Again, in Portland, it's 34. A little bit more mild away from all the snow in the metro area. 34 in Salem, 35 in Eugene. We do have some snow flurries coming out of the low clouds in Hood River right now. 29 in Kelso. Mostly sunny outside of those high clouds at the coast. 18 degrees in Redmond. So we have an inversion in place. The warm air has already started to move in above us. In fact, right now, it's almost 50 degrees at 7,000 feet. Meantime, in Portland, 27. So this is the perfect setup for freezing rain, and that's what we think we're going to see tomorrow morning. Winter storm watch has been issued accordingly. I think a light glaze possible around the metro area on top of the ice and snow that we saw last Tuesday night. As far south as possibly Albany and far north as Kelso and Longview could see a period of freezing rain tomorrow morning. In the gorge, it could be a crippling ice storm starting tomorrow morning and continuing through Wednesday with an inch of ice possible there. Here's a look at the flood watch in effect west of the Cascades and through the gorge for Tuesday and Wednesday. Again, expecting 1.5 to 3 inches of rain between the 2 days in the Willamette Valley. Coast range, look at that, 4 to 8 inches of rain. The Cascades also 4 to 8 inches, especially in the southern Washington Cascades, plus the snow melt. Snow levels about 8,000 feet. So anything below that will start to melt off. In addition, a high wind watch. The wind's going to peak tomorrow night along the coast with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. And once again, here's the culprit. You can see this atmospheric river taking aim on the Pacific Northwest. It means steady rain, heavy at times, both Tuesday and Wednesday. So let's take it hour by hour. Watch this clock right there. So this is right now, just high clouds drifting through from time to time. It is windy near the gorge. That's cold air like the freezer door open to the metro area pouring into the northern Willamette Valley in southwest Washington. Had a gust upwards of 80 miles per hour in Corbett this morning. That's the big story of today, that and cold temperatures. Clouds start to thicken up overnight. Here comes the moisture. Rain showers arrive at the coast by 6:30 tomorrow morning. Too warm there for freezing rain. But once it moves inland below 2,000 feet, that's where the cold air is trapped in place. I think we'll see this as freezing rain with scattered showers, light at first at 9 o'clock in the morning. They'll be broken up in the morning. That's noontime. So scattered light shower activity, but check this out. Down to the south, this is heavy rain that pushes in the afternoon. Look at that, 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. It's absolutely dumping. I think temperatures have moderated by then up and down I-5, but through the gorge, this heavy rain turning to ice as soon as it hits any surface. So big problems through the gorge on the way, and the melt-off begins here tomorrow afternoon west of the mountains with ponding on the roadways, especially because ice is clogging a lot of drains. Check that out. We have heavy rain overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning. This is 7 o'clock in the morning Wednesday. We wake up to go to work. Things are melting and it's much more mild, but the rain is heavy, continues heavy at times all day on Wednesday. So again, I think flooding becomes even more of an issue as we head through the day Wednesday and early Thursdays as rivers, creeks, and streams respond to all of this water and snow melt. Eventually Wednesday night, you'll notice that steady rain comes to an end and scattered showers begin. So on and off shower activity Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and snow levels will be lowering. So 8,000 foot snow level as we head into today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, but then that's dropping off to about 3,000 feet by Thursday. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Today, filtered sun, high temperature around 33, so you understand why this snow and ice isn't going anywhere. Until tomorrow, when we warm into the low 40s, upper 30s, it'll take some time, so pretty slick initially around the morning commute because of that freezing rain. Transitioning to rain, heavy rain still around Wednesday, ice storm still in the gorge on Wednesday as well, and then even the gorge will thaw out by Thursday.
So the kids should be going back to school tomorrow, right?
We'll see with that freezing rain. That could be a big problem.